Hi everyone, good evening. Welcome to Mrs. Diva. Welcome to the Facebook page of Mrs. Diva, YouTube channel of Mrs. Diva, and Facebook group of Mrs. Diva. So I am back with my beautiful girls, batch number 2 of registered members in Mrs. Diva. And again, once again, you're seeing these beautiful faces with me. And I'm super lucky that I'm able to conduct this batch number 2 with, we'll take the round one by one. And guys, if you are in batch number 2 and if you have not joined the meeting, please send in your request. एक एक करके भेजते जाओ, and I'll approve your request for Zoom. You have the Zoom link. Hi Preeti, thank you for joining in. And hi Sugna, thank you for joining in the live. Hi Pooja, how are you doing? Do you see these earrings that I'm wearing? Okay.
You always look so pleasing, Astha.
Thank
Ever
you.
smiling.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay. All right, guys. So let me first introduce myself. My name is Astha Jain, and I'm a business coach and consultant. And I am the founder of Mrs. Diva. And today, this session basically is dedicated to the introduction of the registered members of Mrs. Diva. One by one, we'll go through all these members, beautiful members, and we'll take an introduction from them. And before we begin this, let me make a few announcements. Kuch announcements hai jo ki I wanted to do with, share with all of you. So we are running the gratitude week. Thanks to Malti and thanks to Sakshi, Malti Vaswani from Number Future and Sakshi from Inner Hues and Moonchild. So you have read the announcements in the Facebook group. We are running gratitude week and we have that pinned post, announcement post group mein aapne dekha hoga. Then we are celebrating March as Women's Month. बहुत ही special month होता है, International Women's Day हम लोग celebrate करते हैं, and we have a lot of members who wanted to offer something, who wanted to collaborate with us. Hi Aruna ji, thank you for joining in. Hi Mona. So I'm if you see me facing this side of the screen, that is because I'm reading the comments on my phone. So keep tagging everybody from the group, and let's just bring in as many members here in the live as possible, because today is a very, very special day. We will also be announcing the results of Shreya's Handicraft Tales. So the contest that was conducted in Mrs. Diva, sponsored by Shreya's Handicraft Tales, SHT by Preeti Suman and Shreya Abhinav Sharma. So, okay, without further delaying this, let me start. Let me just start with the introductions. How about let me just go back to the okay. So how about we start our introduction from my favorite, everybody's favorite, everybody who is in Mrs. Diva loves her, Sarika Narula.
Yeah, am I audible, Astha?
Yes, Sarika.
Yeah. Good evening, everyone. And first of all, I would want to start with a thank you note for all of you for always supporting and loving me and Floral Craft. Thank you so much. So I'm Sarika Narula, and I'm a certified floral designer from the Institute of Floral Designing. And I'm the founder of Floral Craft. And we create and customize real and artificial flower arrangements and gift hampers as per the occasions. And also I'm a certified color analyst and therapist. And my therapies not only include color therapy, but also the powerful ways and techniques of law of attraction, which we use to attract and manifest whatever we desire in our life. And along with the power of positive psychology, which is which we use to turn things in our favor and then how to take charge of our thoughts, our emotions, our feelings, to register only good in our subconscious mind, to create that in our reality. So this is all from me, and thank you so much once again. Take care. Love you all.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Sarika. It is always wonderful to see her and to see the beautiful updates, beautiful flowers, beautiful flower arrangements that she shares in the group. So we really, really thank you for that, Sarika. And this was Sarika, guys, from Flormy Craft. You always have her updates in the group, and please do support her by liking her Facebook page and liking the updates that you see from Sarika. And how about we now take the next introduction again from another favorite one of ours, Harbina. Harbina from Mist Accessories and Harbina Makhni Interiors.
Hi everyone, myself Harbina, and some of you know me and some of you do not know me. I'll give a little introduction about myself and then I'll talk about how Mrs. Diva has been special to me. So I am a young designer. I graduated from the prestigious College of National Institute of Fashion Technology, New Delhi. And then I worked in the field of interiors and I found my love for interiors. And then I went on to pursuing a master's degree from Pearl Academy, which I'm doing currently. Along with that, I started a brand of my own, which is Mist Accessories, and we deal in all different kind of accessories and gifting for your loved ones, mainly for women. And then the second venture of mine, which is Harbina Makhni Interiors, is much more special to me as we take up interior design projects, we take up design consultancy as well as turnkey projects. We have an entire team of civil work, interiors, carpentry, furniture, and everything, anything and everything that goes under the umbrella of interiors, be it a house or be it a cafe or be it a restaurant or be it a commercial space. So we take up all different kind of projects of all different scales. So that's a little bit about myself. And then I would also like to express how Mrs. Diva has really been so helpful to me. It has really changed my outlook towards business, towards how we should run our business and how we should be fearless and really do what we like and do what we love. And Mrs. Diva has been a turning point for me. So that's all I would say. And thanks to Astha for having me here.
Thank you so much, Harbina. Thank you so much. Harbina is, she's, I would say that she's an icon for girls her age and women all ages as well. So I've been personally following her work for a very, very long time now and totally, totally, totally love her work. So moving on, I have with me very beautiful, very pretty, and woman of substance, Shruti Bansal.
Wow, what an introduction, Asta. Thank you so much. Always you leave me speechless and humbled because one thing before I introduce myself, I would like to say about Mrs. Diva and Asta is we always discover more about who we are and what potential we hold being part of this beautiful group, because she always sees more than what we see ourselves as. So taking from there, I'm Shruti Bansal. I have a brand by the name of Boutique the Shop. And we love to curate, customize, and design gifts for all of you for all your special occasions and all festivals. We have been able to reach out to various women across India who do beautiful work. And we are able to bring you beautiful handcrafted products. That's why we are able to customize them for you. And we also curate a lot of products. And hence we have a lot of variety, which is a mix of hampers, direct products, and customization. So you can reach out and see our presence on Facebook, on Instagram, and we also have a website. You can go and check out all our products for all seasons, all special occasions on all the three platforms. And that is all I would like to say for Boutique the Shop. Thank you so much for all your love, attention, and appreciation that we have been receiving for the last 1.5 years. And we look forward to having more such beautiful moments with all of you. Thank you so
Thank you.
much.
Thank you so much, Shruti. Thank you so much. And let me just tell you, you will read in the comments later on that your neck piece is absolutely beautiful, pretty, and super, 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 super beautiful. So you will read it in the comments later on. Everybody.
Yeah,
is
thank you.
that.
So that's why, that's our USP. We curate as well as customize. So this is one of the examples of one of our curations.
Amazing, amazing. Great. Okay. So how about we move on to our very new and very, very special registered member, Monica. We have today Monica with us, and let's move on to Monica.
Hi friends, this is Monica Singhvi Patni and I'm a very new member to this Mrs. Diva. And thanks Asta for having me join this. It's a great chance to introduce myself. I'm a real estate consultant. Yes, it's a very odd or a very different kind of profession for a woman to be in because it's a male dominated area. But believe me, I love doing it. It's a very gratifying and satisfying experience being a real estate consultant, helping people buy their dream home, helping them decide on what is best for them and making them know what is it, right? And a small story behind my being a real estate 15 years back, I did not know how to manage. I was a full-time office person, HR person, and with two small kids, I did not know how to manage my time and be master of my own time. My husband came up with this idea that why can't you get into real estate? There are lack of women in that field where there are women who make the decision as to kitchen kaisa hona chahiye, rooms kitne bade chote, bedroom bachon ka kaisa hona chahiye. So it is always a woman who should be deciding ki ghar kaisa hona chahiye. Man do help with the budget, of course, but so in that case, and that time the word broker was like where women did not want to interact with. So 15 years back, I came into this line and believe me, I have helped so many women decide what they want to buy, and it's gratifying and satisfying. My firm name is Realty InvestSmart, and my Facebook page would be Amazing Gurgaon Homes. So do visit it, like it. And secondly, my hobby is gardening, and I love plants, and I would love gifting plants. So I've started a small venture with a friend of mine as a hobby that's called Perk Up, where we help people give gifting ideas where plants are concerned. So do visit my page Perk Up and like it as well. Thank you so much. Thank you, Asta. And
Thank you so much, Monica. Thank you so much. In fact, this reminds me that sometime back I did a video because you guys know that I also keep giving work from home ideas to a lot of moms and housewives and women who do not want to get into corporate jobs. And this was one of the ideas that I worked on, women getting into reality, this side of work. And I really feel that women are very comfortable dealing with women, because this is something which is, as a woman, you can understand what other women want from their home. And this is something that I really wanted more and more women to get into this profession, and it really requires a lot of hard work. So amazing, amazing. And I think you really are another example of, or you have really set an example for a lot of women who want to get into this line. So you really are leading this niche. So thank you so much for this amazing introduction today, guys. You have Monica's page in today's post. Please do visit the post and visit our Facebook page, and you can connect with her whenever you want to. And how about we move on and we take the next introduction from Deepti Kabra from Mystic Numbers. Deepti?
Yes, thank you so much, Asta. And it's a pleasure for me to be here at Mrs. Diva. Mrs. Diva has really helped me to grow my business. And I want to introduce myself. It is a pleasure to see everyone. I'm very happy. Mrs. Diva has helped me a lot. I'm Diti Kabra. I'm a master numerologist. I'm a name correction expert. I also do corporate numerology, wherein I guide my clients to design their names according to their businesses. I help them with their logo designs, the colors which they can use in the logo, which can go very much with the success level, for the future. So I do a lot of future planning for them, for businesses to rise up. I also do personal name corrections, wherein I see whether the name is in sync with the date of birth or not. I do marriage compatibility of couples. So I do very different type of numerology, and I'm very well researched and use very advanced techniques of numerology. As well, along with this, I am into healing. During my consultations, I make sure that I explain my clients everything regarding what all they can do in life, how they can go ahead. So I make their life and their paths clear in that 1 hour consultation. As well, I make sure that I follow law of attraction. I also follow manifestations and affirmations. So जैसे मेरे क्लाइंट से मेरी बात होती है, when they book my consultation, I am very उसके बाद मैं उन्हें एक proper path explain करती हूँ, and also I give them certain remedies that can help them later along with the name correction. So this is about me, numerology, healing, and I do tarot card as well. So everything related to occult science, I do. And I'm very happy and glad here to be on Mrs. Diva. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Deepti. And we really, really are blessed to have you here on Mrs. Diva with us. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay, so before we move on to the next introduction, guys, I think we have Shreya here with us from Shreya's Handicraft Tales, SHT. How about we ask her to reveal the most awaited result? It is one of the, one of those contests that everybody took part in, Mrs. Diva, with full enthusiasm, and everybody was, participating with a lot of zeal and zest, and everybody was excited. So we have Shreya. Shreya, do we have Preeti also with us today?
She is joining in some time. I think, can we wait for 10 minutes?
Oh,
She's
yes,
joining.
sure. So, okay. So let us move
actually
on to
link
the
work नहीं
next.
कर रहा था तो वो join कर रही है बस थोड़ी देर
Okay,
में.
no problem. So हम next introduction ले लेते हैं तब तक.
Sure.
So
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so how about we move to Deepa Jain from Sattvic Creations. Deepa, we have Deepa with us, right? Yeah, Deepa.
Hello everyone, I am Deepa Jain. First of all, I want to say thanks to Astha for this wonderful community, जिसमें हमें न्यू मतलब अलग अलग वुमेन से मिलने का मौका मिलता है, और हम लोग सबसे बड़ी बात मुझे ये अच्छी लगती है, सब एक दूसरे को बहुत हेल्प करते हैं यहाँ. तो थैंक्स टू आस्था फॉर दिस. And I am from Sattvic Creations. I am founder of Sattvic Creations from last 4 years. We actually मैं बताना चाहती हूँ कि सात्विक क्रिएशंस किस मतलब क्या आप उसमें आप क्या ढूंढ सकते हो सात्विक क्रिएशंस में. सात्विक क्रिएशंस उसमें एक्चुअली आई लव किड्स एंड किड्स से रिलेटेड जो भी चीज़ है, मतलब बच्चों से रिलेटेड जो भी चीज़ है, एंड आई लव. तो मैंने इसी चीज में मतलब मैंने सोचा कि क्यों ना मैं फिर इसी चीज में स्टार्ट करूं. तो मैंने बच्चों की आपको जो भी किड्स आइटम, रिटर्न गिफ्ट्स एंड एनी अदर रिलेटेड टू किड्स आइटम, you can contact me. and you can search Satvik Creation and like and follow, please. And we are dealing in copper items also. So you can contact me. Thank you.
Sure. Thank you so much, Deepa. So, guys, that was Deepa Jain from Satvik Creations. Thank you, Deepa. And let's move on to our next introduction. Guys, we also have Preeti with us, Preeti Roy from Divyansh. You have seen very beautiful, very pretty products from Divyansh. And let's take our next introduction from Preeti Roy. Preeti, you are on mute.
Oh, yes, sorry.
Could you
Thank
please
so
start
much.
again?
Yes, of course, yes. Astha, firstly, I want to thank you for lending us all your support whenever we require. You're always there to support us. And this group is beautiful, always ready to help. Always, the moment you put a question, and we have loads of comments and answers and lending hands. Thank you so much. And I missed your picnic. Sorry about that. I mean, I do, regret, but maybe next time. So introducing myself, my name is Preeti and I am an entrepreneur and an educationist. I've taken my qualifications from RMIT University Australia and Pearl Academy, same as Harbina. I have done my textile design, and plus I have been, when I came back to India, I ventured into very enterprising, and because I have been with kids for a very long time, I started an English reading club especially for children, wherein I train kids on their reading skills, Olympiads, grammar, pronunciation, storytelling using props, etc. Running very successfully for last 15 years. Now, due to my long association with the kids, I love kids, So, and I always have a very soft corner for the kids who are not, who are dependent and who are especially abled, they are not considered really as a part of society. So I really feel for them. So just then I decided after this talking books was established well, I ventured into Divyansh, very close to my heart. It's been like 1.5 years, wherein I train autistic and specially abled children and the needy to hand paint, embroidery, and create some. And in the process of training, they create some wonderful and beautiful everyday usable products. They all are eco-friendly, like bags and potlies and let's say sari covers and the sling bags. I mean, we can create anything, so now obviously these children are dependent on, and my motto is to make the to lessen the dependency on us and the society. They can feel confident of their work. I'm trying to give them that skill, so they are no more dependent on us. They can earn for themselves because of their challenges. Obviously, they can't go out in the market to sell their products. So here we come into, wherein I buy, when I train them, I buy the products from them, I give them a finish and sell them on their behalf. So that way, the vocational training is happening, the selling of their products is happening. So, and they are earning at the moment they start working with me. So it's a win-win situation for everyone. And I must say, these kids, see, हमारे बच्चों में है कि भी कुछ बोला नहीं और मिल गया. But these children, they really, value our time. They value the money. They value the skill that we are giving him. And they are so passionate, so hopeful, they have got big dreams in their eyes. I'm just trying to give them a little helping hand so they can fulfill their dreams. And all my kids are just superb. I request you all to please spare your 2 minutes and have a look at my FB page of Divyansh, Instagram, and there's the link to the e-commerce site as well. So this is a very, very noble cause. And I've always got a very good support from all of you. Just, be a little generous and support these children, because akele main nahi kar sakti. It is all we have to be together so that we can build future of these children as well. And that's all. I hope I'm able to convey what I wanted to, my feeling towards these children. And Astha, thank you so much once again. I love you a lot. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Preeti. So, guys, this was Preeti Roy from Divyansh, and this is a beautiful concept, guys. Beautiful concept Preeti has come up with to help these kids. And how about we all come together and support her in this cause? आप नहीं भी ले सकते हो, कोई बात नहीं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. आप सिर्फ एक बार पेज चेकआउट कर लो, प्रोडक्ट्स चेकआउट कर लो, सिर्फ लाइक कर दो, कहीं शेयर कर पाओ शेयर
Yes.
कर दो. किसी आपके जानने में कोई ढूंढ रहे हैं, बच्चों को कुछ गिफ्टिंग करना है, रिटर्न गिफ्ट्स जाते रहते हैं, दोज ऑफ यू हु हैव किड्स, एक बार रिकमेंड कर देना, दैट्स इट. कोई ऐसे प्रेशर वाली चीज नहीं है. सो शी हैज सेड कि एक ई कॉमर्स वेबसाइट भी है. सो प्रीति, आफ्टर दिस लाइव गेट्स ओवर, आप एक बार वो लिंक जो है ग्रुप में, आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट अगर आप शेयर कर सको.
I will.
प्लीज.
Certain. Thank
So,
you.
Thank you so much, Preeti. Really love your concept, and we really value जो
I
आप
appreciate.
इतना आप कर रहे हो. It's really commendable. Thank you so much.
Thank
Okay, guys, so that was Preeti Roy from Divyansh, and let's how about we move on to our next participant. और ये शायद हम सबके फेवरेट होंगी. बहुत बढ़िया इनके जो रिव्यूज आते हैं, बहुत अच्छे चटपटे वाले, मजेदार वाले. और वो मेरा तो खैर खाना ही चटनी अचार के बगैर मैं फेमस हूँ अपने घर में, पूरा ही नहीं होता. और इनके जो रिव्यूज आते हैं वो भी ऐसे आते हैं जिनके भी आप पढ़े होंगे आपने ग्रुप में सबने. सो वी हैव विद अस गाइस मीना कपूर फ्रॉम सिजलर्स. सो नेक्स्ट इंट्रोडक्शन जो है वो मीना जी का ले लेते हैं.
चलो पहले मैं अनम्यूट कर लूं अपने आप को. यस, आई कैन, यू कैन हियर मी गाइस. Hi Asta and everyone. Thank you so much Asta for giving this opportunity. This is my first networking in Mrs. Diva. I was eagerly waiting कि कब मैं किसी से बात करूं Mrs. Diva पे. So here I got the opportunity, and what a lovely platform you have Asta. And I one thing for Mrs. Diva platform is that when you check up on the Facebook ना, you'll see सबसे ज्यादा Mrs. Diva के sometime मतलब clicks भी होंगे, messages भी होंगे, and you will have all the people participating in everyone's post as well. So even in my post also, once I asked Asta, तो she said कि आप थोड़ा और active होगे ना, तो then you will see reviews and your comments on your post also. So thank you for that tip, Asta. So hey everyone, I'm Meena, and I'm brand owner of Tizzlers, under which I sell homemade chutney and pickles. और क्या बोलूं? And my regular, and I started this venture in 2018. Earlier I worked with one of the organizations of startups long time back, and then we moved to Australia. But when we came back, my husband started his own venture, so I was working with him. And then after some time, I realized that he doesn't need my services. मतलब उनके पास he has a big team. So I thought, let me start something on my own. So this is, you know, chutney and pickles. This is my home production. I don't make it, but someone in my family makes it very nicely. She has a very good hand. She is my closest to my heart. And then I thought of starting to promote her work, because she is not very apt with these Facebook and everything, social media and all. So she asked me, why don't you promote my product and sell it? So that's how I started this venture in 2018, and now here I am selling in all platforms. And I love people when people tag me if any query is there for pickles and chutney. So do try my products, girls. My page with the name of Tizzlers. My products are also available on Amazon. That's been 2 years. Yeah, on Amazon. And I do have a website with the www.tizzlers.com. Apart from Tizzlers, I am also associated with one of the NGOs where we give free tuitions to almost 400 underprivileged children. So I have been working with them from last 4 years. I started their newsletter twice in a year. We have their newsletter. I developed their website, though I am not a professional. but I wanted to do it. I did it, and my own website also I developed it. So that is my intro. Thank you, everyone.
थैंक यू सो मच मीरा, ब्यूटीफुल, अमेजिंग एंड आपने ना वो शुरू में कहा क्या कहूँ, सो वो आई थिंक उसका रिप्लाई मेरा ये था कि टिज़लर्स के बारे में सब बहुत अच्छे से जानते हैं, बहुत सारे रिव्यूज हम पढ़ते रहते हैं, तो शायद इसीलिए वो कई बार होता है ना, वो कुछ कुछ ब्रांड्स ऐसे होते हैं जो कि वो घर घर में नाम उनका हो जाता है तो चाहे
थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक यू।
उनमें से एक है। सो पर जो
Much
नहीं
love.
जानते हैं और आज देख रहे हैं तो डेफिनेटली पेज को चेकआउट करना मत भूलिएगा। और एक मैंने कमेंट पढ़ा किसी का, मैं नाम भूल रही हूँ किसका कमेंट था कि आई एम येट टू ऑर्डर। सो वो जो भी कोई है ऑर्डर कर लेना फटाफट से, मीना जी से कांटेक्ट करें और फटाफट से ऑर्डर प्लेस करें। डू नॉट फॉरगेट, लाइव खत्म होते के साथ ही मैसेज डाल देना। So guys, okay, let us quickly move ahead. Next हम ले लेते हैं आज प्रियंका अग्रवाल, मेमोरी ट्रेनर है ये प्रियंका अग्रवाल। So we have Priyanka with us. Hi Priyanka.
Hi Asta, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Thank you. First of all, thank you, Asta. Believe me, I've never been a part of any Facebook group. As you know, I never trust them. But somehow, looking at you, I was following you for long. I think I messaged you quite a few times. But मैंने कभी I didn't take that step forward to come and take a membership. But whatever it is, you really have that charm to attract people. So. Really thank you for inviting me for this, and thanks everyone जो मुझे 2 मिनट तक सुनेंगे। बाकी I don't know how I sound or something, but yes, I'm very new member of this group. I've been a teacher in the sense I love teaching, so मेरे को हमेशा नया चीज सीखने का शौक है। I always love learning things. I consider more of myself as a student than a teacher, because आप जब भी किसी बच्चे को पढ़ाते हो, you learn something from that person. Definitely, all children teach you something. So my journey of teaching I started very long back, when even I was in 12th and I was teaching BCom students just for maths. But that time I didn't think of taking it professionally. Once we went to US and my child was very young, so I wanted to teach him something different, and that's how my journey of teaching started. And then I'm not into basic teaching. I really love to teach something which is out of which is very different. Kids learn English, maths, Hindi, whatever, but learning something different is they get excited about. So then came into memory training. All of us have this habit of forgetting our keys, which I also was habitual to keys भूल गए। आप सामान लेने जा रहे हो, you forget those groceries and everything, and then you're making up a list, वो list भी आप भूल जाते हो at the end. So why not make yourself acquainted with certain techniques जो आपको हमेशा याद रखने में काम आएंगी. So kids, हम हमेशा kids से बोलते हैं कि उनका इंटरेस्ट नहीं आता है स्टडीज में, but it is not the interest, it is कि उनको वो स्टडीज बहुत बोरिंग लगते हैं. So that is the reason I try to make these studies interesting by giving memory training, wherein they can learn through various methods. We do storytelling, we play games, we have many ways to increase your memory by doing brain gym. There are a lot of things which are involved in this, but the best part is that retention. Even after 2 years, if you ask me what was this thing that you had explained, and they will remember that. So my memory training is a new venture. I have been trained into this for the past 2 years, and then I started giving it out to kids. So now 3 of my kids are actually applying for India Book of Records and Asia Book of Records for saying pi value up to 500 digits. And one of the child, she is almost 7 years, and she can say all the 192 countries and their capitals. So they are applying for this. So yes, today I'll just like to mention, I was talking to Asta on message, and she said, अच्छा तो ये फिर बच्चों के लिए? ऐसे नहीं आपके लिए भी है, because हमें क्या होता है जब हम स्पीच देने जाते हैं यार, वो पेपर में लिख के जाते हैं कि अरे ये बोलना है, बट हाउ अबाउट अगर हम वो पूरी स्पीच याद रख सके एंड उसको हम बोल सके बिना किसी के कुछ वर्ड्स के या किसी प्रॉम्प्ट्स के. सो इट इज फॉर एवरीवन. सो प्लीज आप कभी भी आके मुझसे बात कर लीजिए. इफ यू वांट टू एनरोल योर किड्स, इफ यू वांट टू कम योरसेल्फ एंड एक्सपीरियंस दैट थिंग, आई डू कीप ऑन हैविंग webinars, free webinars, paid webinars for these classes. And I do not have a Facebook page as of now because I'm really very bad at social media. Yeah, trying my best to get better at it. So thank you so much, Asa, and thank you everyone for this opportunity. Hope we talk sometime. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, Priyanka. And guys, we are trying really hard to arrange one of Priyanka's session. हम लोग कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि प्रियंका का एक लाइव सेशन हम जरूर अरेंज कर पाए. I think we are just left with सिर्फ एक इंट्रोडक्शन हमारा, दो इंट्रोडक्शन हमारे सिर्फ रह गए हैं, कृतिका का और स्मृति का, एंड देन हम क्विकली रिजल्ट फिर अनाउंस कर लेते हैं हमारे कॉन्टेस्ट का. So let's take Kritika first. Kritika, you're from Ux Collections. Kritika? Kritika, you will have to unmute yourself.
Yes.
Hi.
Yeah, I'm there here. Hi.
How are you doing?
I'm fine. Yes, thanks. My first live session ever. I mean, coming on social media just till now, till my age 35, or probably since Facebook has started. I just had an account and coming live. I'm sorry if I'm being nervous, stuck somewhere.
That's okay. That's okay. We all are here with you.
Yes. We have really talented women in the group. So wonderful being here. And yes, I agree to Priyanka what she said. Asta, definitely you have that charm. You are the first group ever I took membership in on Facebook, and proud to be a part of this group as well. Just a small introduction. I am a reseller. I do have contacts with good dealers and vendors. So be it anything jewelry or any modern clothes, fashionable, trendy, like ethnic wear or anything, yes, all collections I have. I keep updating on my page regularly. Yes, on Miss Diva page, I'm yet to start updating. Though I've taken it, but I've not updated. But yes, we'll start that soon. Actually, 5 आपके सारे sessions 4 और 5 को होते हैं, तभी प्रीति मैडम, प्रीति रॉय, उनका classes होता है कनिष्का का. So I have to be with her. So yes, so that's it. I don't know. I don't know what else to say.
Okay, no issues. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Kritika, and it is great to have you here with us. And क्योंकि अब आप first time जो आ गए हो live पे, start हो गया है ये सिलसिला, तो अब ये चलता रहेगा और आते रहना हमारे साथ. And you know that all of us are here, and I can confidently say this not just for me, I'm saying this for complete Mrs. Diva fraternity. पूरी fraternity की मैं बात कर रही हूँ, community की बात कर रही हूँ. एक हाथ सिर्फ उठा देना कि मुझे ये help चाहिए. सारे जितने देख रहे हैं, इंक्लूडिंग जितने अभी साथ में यहाँ पे मेरे साथ में हैं और जो देख रहे हैं, सब खड़े हो जाएंगे आपके लिए, आपके साथ.
Yes,
तो ये कॉन्फिडेंस अपने साथ रखना कि अकेले नहीं हो, कुछ भी अकेले नहीं करना है, यहाँ पे आपको सबके साथ करना है, हर कोई आपके साथ है.
Yes.
And thank you so much. And I really feel proud कि मेरे एक बार कहने से आपने ये कॉन्फिडेंस दिखाया कि आप स्क्रीन पे आए हो. I'm very proud of you. Thanks
to you. Thanks for that motivation. Definitely. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, Kritika. Okay, so अब last वाला जो introduction है, वो मैं हमेशा ना वो best वाला जो है वो last के लिए save कर लेती हूँ. वो कहते हैं ना वो dessert जो है वो हमेशा last में ही आता है. So आ गई है मेरी फेवरेट, आप सबकी फेवरेट. वीडियोस का काम होता है तो हम हमेशा इन्हीं के पास भाग जाते हैं. And we have very beautiful Smriti Olga Khatri with us. Picasso Museum.
Thank you, Asta. Thank you, everybody, all you lovely women entrepreneurs here. I guess I would like to thank each one of you present here, because शायद आप लोग नहीं होते तो Picasso नहीं होता. The reason I say this proudly is my very first online video that we created for an online venture was from Mrs. Diva's. And trust me, like she said, we're always there. Mrs. Diva ka har ek member is always there to help each other no matter what. Even at 3 p.m. I see Surbhi online, and 3 a.m. Surbhi Yadav is online asking, koi hai kya, anybody, good morning. And Shruti is always there online anytime, So irrespective of the time zones, of the countries, cities, we all are there for each other. This is the love, this is the interaction, and this is the power of women entrepreneurship and empowerment that is showed best on Mrs. Deva's in the truest sense of the word, you know. And today when I heard Monica Patni, you know, it was, I was thrilled to know that even women are into real estate business, and it's amazing. She was right, it's a male dominated industry, and that's an inspiration, Monica. Totally, absolutely. Great. So guys, आप सब मुझे जानते हैं, you all know me. I'm a co-founder of Picasso Media and Films. We are basically a video production company, and we specialize, we call ourselves the startup specialists, because we create videos, we create creatives for you to help your business grow. We do branding online for you, and we've recently also ventured into digital marketing. So even for digital marketing, your graphic related work, everything and anything related to videos, be it shoot based, footage based, we are there for you. You'll see me posting, commenting, and you'll see me putting up videos here and there sometimes on the group as well. So whenever you want, you think that this is the right time for your business to grow up, but you are also thinking of, you know, you have a budget constraint, don't hesitate, just walk up to me and I'll definitely drop something wonderful for you. A little, that's a little bit about me, and that's a little bit about Picasso Media and Films.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Smriti. And it's wonderful to always, you know, have you. Okay, so Shreya, do we have Preeti? We are still waiting for Preeti to join in, guys. I think let's allow her a few more moments. थोड़ा सा वो कुछ figure out करने की कोशिश कर रही हैं. In the meantime, I had Harbeena's request. She wanted to share something with us. So let us move to Harbeena, guys.
So this is something that I experienced in past 2 days, and it's about Mrs. Diva. And I would say I really feel emotional about this thing. It's such a good thing that I experienced. I'll just tell you all. So there was a post on another group, and members of Mrs. Diva had tagged me. It was a query for interior design. And because so many people tagged me in the same post, the person who had posted showed so much trust on me and said, "You've got so many recommendations." And today I went and met the client, and I feel so good about this community that it does not only restrict to Mrs. Diva. It takes us to other platforms. It recommends us. All the people who are part of this community, a big, big, big thanks to each one of you. And the most important is the leader of the group. If you had not brought to us that idea of supporting each other and supporting people of the same stream, of the same field, I think this would have not been possible. So I am so thankful to being part of Mrs. Diva and to each one of the members of this group, even if registered or unregistered members, all of them. Thanks to everybody.
Awesome. So this is great news, and thank you so much, Harbeena, always. And guys, I think we have Preeti with us, जिनका हम बहुत बेसब्री से सभी इंतजार कर रहे थे. प्रीति हमारे साथ जुड़ चुकी हैं, और बहुत ही, जैसा कि मैं कह रही थी, बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग सा कॉन्टेस्ट था जो मिसेस दीवा पे ऑर्गेनाइज किया था श्रेयाज हैंडीक्राफ्ट टेल्स ने. श्रेयाज हैंडीक्राफ्ट टेल्स SHT by Shreya Abhinav Sharma and Preeti Suman. So आज उसका रिजल्ट जो है वो यही दो जो ब्यूटीफुल सी हमारी गर्ल्स हैं, यही दोनों अनाउंस करेंगी. So how about I let Shreya and Preeti only announce the results. So Shreya and Preeti, over to you. फटाफट से रिजल्ट अनाउंस करते हैं. सभी बहुत बेताब हो रहे होंगे अब तो. रिजल्ट.
थैंक यू सो मच आस्था. प्रीति, प्लीज अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ. सबसे पहले मैं ये बोलना चाहूंगी, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर पार्टिसिपेटिंग इन दिस कॉन्टेस्ट. एंड ये हम लोग के लिए बहुत स्पेशल था. ये पूरा मंथ हम लोग के लिए बहुत स्पेशल था. तो वी जस्ट वांटेड टू स्टार्ट विद मिसेस दीवा, एंड जो रिस्पांस मिला है, जो प्यार मिला है, वो बहुत स्पेशल है हम लोगों के लिए. एंड सॉरी इतना डिले हो गया हम लोगों को ज्वाइन करने में, कुछ इश्यूज चल रहे थे, बट नाउ मेरी पार्टनर, मेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड अभी ज्वाइन कर चुकी है, तो मैं चाहती हूँ वो भी थोड़ा सा कुछ बोले हमारे बारे में।
Hi everyone, I'm so glad I'm here finally. Actually, I'm not that well, तो मैं पता नहीं क्यों हो नहीं पा रहा था कनेक्शन, और मुझे लग रहा था कि I'm not ready for the screen, so that's why I was asking her कि अकेले तुम मैनेज कर लो. So about SHT, I only wanted to tell कि this is a dream of both of us, and we started it 4 years ago, और हमें पता नहीं चला कि टाइम कैसे निकल गया. एवरीथिंग गोज वेरी स्मूथली, हम लोग मैनेज कर लेते हैं चीज़ों को. एंड व्हेन पीपल गेट टू नो अबाउट कि स्टोरी क्या है, हैंडीक्राफ्ट लवर है श्रेया, एंड आई एम जस्ट ऑल ओके विद कि वो क्या सोचती है उसको बस वर्ड्स में कन्वर्ट करके और फिर आगे हम लोग ट्राई करते हैं उसको पुट ऑन करने का along with all the handcrafted products and services. तो बस ऐसे ही ये चल रहा है, चलते चलते 4 years हो गए हैं, पता नहीं चला. इस बार हमने सोचा why not to celebrate our birthday, I mean like our venture's birthday. So we are here with the some of games and all. Date of the venture is still the birthday date जो है वो still surprise है, will come up with that. तो फिलहाल हमने मिसेस दीवा पे जो गेम प्लेटफॉर्म पे जो गेम ऑर्गेनाइज किए थे उसका रिजल्ट आज अनाउंस कर रहे हैं आप सबके प्रेजेंस में. So thank you all of us for having us here, and that's all. That's all about SHT and me and Shreya. So here are the winners. Actually, it was a really tough to choose because handcrafted चीज ही ऐसी होती है that आप decide ही नहीं कर सकते. हमें इतनी सारी entries मिल रही थी, and Astha was always like कि thank God I don't have to judge this because it is so difficult. And we were on call discussions कि कौन सा लेना है, कौन सा.
I was very relieved this time that I will not be judging. I was very relieved.
No, it is
Seriously,
really,
we tried
it
to
is
save
really
you from this.
but this time it was so has मतलब thing for us कि हम कैसे चूज करें यार. मतलब लकी ड्रॉ करना नहीं था, खुद होकर के चूज करना था. एक चूज करते फिर ऐसा लगता नहीं ये भी बहुत अच्छा है, नहीं ये भी बहुत अच्छा है, कैसे छोड़ दें. सो दिस वाज रियली डिफिकल्ट, एंड 4 विनर्स अनाउंस करने थे, बट करते करते हमने 6 चूज किए हैं बिकॉज वी कैन नॉट लीव ऑल. सो दैट्स व्हाई 4 की जगह 6 हो गए. ऑल्दो कि 4th बर्थडे है मगर 6 लोगों को सरप्राइज गिफ्ट मिलेगा.
एक चीज मैं और ऐड करना चाहूंगी यहाँ पे. ये कॉन्टेस्ट का पर्पस ये था कि हम लोग मोस्टली हैंडीक्राफ्ट की बातें करते हैं, बट जब उसको चूज करने की बात आई तो कहीं ना कहीं हम लोग एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज मिस कर देते हैं कि उसमें एफर्ट्स जो लगे हैं या जो एक बोलते ना प्यार से या कॉन्सेंट्रेशन आप जिस तरह से उसको बनाते हो, हम लोग कहीं उस चीज से कनेक्ट नहीं कर पाते हैं. तो जो मैंने इसका हम लोगों ने प्लान किया, तो हमारा पर्पस ये था कि जब कोई भी कुछ भी बनाएगा या उसने बनाया होगा तो वो उस मोमेंट को फिर से याद करेगा कि इसकी स्टोरी क्या है,
Absolutely.
तो बनाया कैसे था. और अल्टीमेटली जितने हैंडक्राफ्टर्स हैं, जितने आर्टिसंस हैं, उनके लिए हमारी जो वो होती है ना रिस्पेक्ट है, वो हम लोग कहीं ना कहीं उसको वापस याद दिला सकें.
Absolutely. This was one of the reasons, Shreya, I think we discussed this also कि we did not want to restrict it. ऐसा नहीं हम लोग रखना चाह रहे थे कि आप अभी बना के और अभी share करो. We wanted people to relive those moments. So पहले कभी भी बनाया है, पहले कभी भी आपने किया है तो बस पोस्ट करो, शेयर करो और उसको एंजॉय करो.
एंजॉय करो
कि अभी कभी बना के देना है.
एक्चुअली ये रीजन था कि लाइक्स हम लोग ने अवॉइड नहीं इंक्लूड किया बिकॉज वो सारा कॉन्सेंट्रेशन शिफ्ट हो जाता है कि इसको रिक्वेस्ट करो, वो थोड़ा सा डिस्टर्बिंग हो जाता है. सो जस्ट एंजॉय. आपने कुछ अपना शेयर करो एंड लीव इट. हम पे छोड़ो.
Exactly. And I want to tell everybody that this was a conscious decision from, because when I plan any contest, I give this freedom to the sponsors कि वो क्या करना चाह रहे हैं. And let me just tell all of you that this was Preeti's and Shreya's conscious decision. They said because maximum like contest जो होते हैं वो हमेशा perform जनरल परसेप्शन ऐसी है कि ज्यादा अच्छे कर जाते हैं क्योंकि टैगिंग बहुत हो जाती है उनमें। बट एक तो ये कि ये इन दोनों का कॉन्शियस डिसीजन था कि हम नहीं करना चाहते वो, कि मैक्सिमम लाइक कॉन्टेस्ट हम अवॉइड करना चाहते हैं। एंड सेकंड, ये एक एग्जांपल है सबके लिए दैट ऐसा नहीं है कि मैक्सिमम लाइक कॉन्टेस्ट ही वर्क करता है। यू विल सी कि इतनी ट्रिमेंडस पार्टिसिपेशन आई है। आई थिंक the three of us we were talking कि इतना रिस्पॉन्स शायद हमने भी एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था कि कॉन्टेस्ट में इतना जबरदस्त रिस्पॉन्स आ जाएगा। एंड आई थिंक वी
And
एंडेड अप
people have shared maximum of their entries, मतलब जितनी चीजें बनाई हैं सारी की सारी शेयर की, उनको
Yes.
बहुत खुशी होती है
Which
that
is
we have made
beautiful.
lot of things, right?
Exactly, which was the whole point. So okay, फटाफट से अब करते, लेट नहीं करते हैं।
okay.
पार्टिसिपेंट्स को धक धक हो रही होगी। Okay, start कर।
All right, so Shreya, you go on with because you have the list.
यस
तो बताओ
ओके,
आप
तो
क्या करते हैं।
हमारे फर्स्ट विनर हैं अर्चना अग्रवाल। इन्होंने तंजोर पेंटिंग बनाई थी, वो बहुत प्यारी और बहुत फिनिशिंग से थी। मतलब वो जो इस तरह से उनको वो दिखने में बड़ा प्यारा था, उसमें मेहनत भी डेफिनेटली बहुत सारी उनको
और
गई
उन्होंने
होगी।
उसे अपने मंदिर में रख रखा है। दैट
हाँ
इज अ वेरी नाइस थिंग वी हैव फेल्ट, बिकॉज यू नो यू मेड समथिंग एंड देन यू आर यूजिंग इट। आई मीन लाइक आप उसको रिस्पेक्ट कर रहे हो और आप उसको रख रहे हो अपने पास या किसी को दे रहे हो। सो दैट इज ऑल्सो वेरी वेरी काइंड ऑफ थिंग कि आपके दिल के बहुत करीब होती है चीज। So that is a thing we have chosen
Congratulations,
Alka,
congratulations,
sorry, Archana Agrawal ji as a
Archana
first
didi,
of winner.
congratulations to you.
एंड सेकंड विनर है मुबीना हुसैन। मुबीना ने
Wow,
काफी सारी एंट्रीज हमें भेजी थी, बट जो हम
awesome.
लोगों को बहुत टची लगी है, बहुत
Hmm.
अच्छा, वो उन्होंने जो अपने हस्बैंड के लिए पीगे बैंक बनाया था, एंड जो
Yes.
उसका ट्रबल उन्हें, मतलब वो जो बेयर किया था, जस्ट उसको देख के हमने उसको चूज किया है। तो हमारा सेकंड विनर है मुबीना।
Beautiful, beautiful.
Yeah.
ओके,
We will
so
also share the particular picture of the person and the product which they have made, so people will be more clear about the product also कि कैसे बनाते हैं, मेहनत कितनी लगती है, and all that stories behind that. So moving ahead with our third
one
person.
third is Garima Agrawal. She made a
Yeah.
quilled peacock.
Lovely, lovely.
It was really
Congratulations.
beautiful, very intricate, very clean, and it was awesome. So
और
Garima,
साइज भी उसका बहुत बड़ा था, जिसको बनाने में आई गेस उनको बहुत टाइम लगा
बहुत
होगा।
टाइम लगता है। Quilling
Yeah.
is a time taking art.
Art, right.
Okay. So the fourth one is Snigdha Gupta, जो I think मुझे आज ज्वाइन करने वाली थी, but शायद वो नहीं है।
Yes. So yes, Snigdha had to. She had some work, guys. So she was supposed to join this meet also, but then किसी काम में वो थोड़ा सा फंस गई हैं।
No issue.
But congratulations, Snigdha.
और
She
उनकी
shared
पेंटिंग
a
उन्होंने बहुत पुरानी
painting.
है, सबसे पुरानी आई गेस उन्होंने अपना प्रोडक्ट शेयर किया था। एंड इट इज
And the best part
इट
है
इज अ
उन्होंने
पेंटिंग।
उसको मेंटेन किया हुआ है, और एक नेट बास्केट पे वो पेंटिंग थी। So still she is preserving, she is using, so that's why Snigdha is our fourth winner. And ये हमारे टॉप 4 थे, but still 2 लोग ऐसे थे जिनको हम लोग चाह के भी ड्रॉप नहीं कर पाए। So
Right.
ये these top 4 will get a gift curated by me. And Isha Makan is our fifth winner.
Wow.
She made so the entry we chose for her is she made a card for a newborn niece, and that was so cute and so touchy.
Exactly.
So that she is the fifth one, and last we have Amrita Swapnil.
Wonderful, wonderful.
Amrita made
Swapnil
her
has
backdrop.
created backdrop she has made for her daughter's 5th birthday with flowers and some lightnings into it during lockdown. So that
Ultimately,
was
she
really
tried to make the lockdown a great experience for her daughter. I mean, she must have felt so good by seeing all those handmade efforts by her mom. So yeah, these are two additional winners which we are announcing.
We will soon
and
announce
they are eligible.
we will soon announce the gift for the last 2 winners. Tomorrow probably we will be sharing some of the surprises also. So that's all.
No, great, great, guys, amazing. So thank you so much, everybody. So these were the results for SHT's contest, SHT's Shreya's Handicraft Tales by Shreya Abhinav Sharma and Preeti Suman. All of you know how amazing their products are, and this was the contest that was sponsored by both of these beautiful girls. And we thank them for organizing this amazing contest and taking us back to the memory lane. And we reminisced about the wonderful, beautiful things that we did. So thanks to both of you first of all, and thanks to each
Thanks
one of you
to
who participated.
complete Mrs. Diva
Yeah,
family. A
thank
big
you so
thank you
much.
for participating and for making our celebration more memorable. So thank you so much.
Yeah.
And with this, guys, thank you so much for attending this live intro session for our registered members. We will come up with the batch number 3 after a few days. And thank you so much. We are just trying to introduce our members who have been with us for maybe long duration of time, or some new members also have joined us. And this is just us trying to bring them to you all, so that they also know about each other. That is also very, very important for all of us to be, for us to feel that we are a part of community. We should know about each other. We all are not just from Delhi NCR, we are from all across India. And it is just us trying to bring each other closer to closer to each other rather.
I
And
want to tell one thing, Astha.
yes, Preeti.
Just as you said, not only Delhi NCR, it is all across India. I
Yes.
tell you, when I see you, or when I see anybody else, I just really can't remember from where you belong. I just remember Astha. I just remember Mrs. Diva. If I remember Harbina, I remember House of Mist. So मुझे देखना पड़ता है कि कहाँ से हैं ये लोग, वो क्योंकि फील ही नहीं होता है, वो एक डिस्टेंस जो है किलोमीटर्स का या कहीं दूर बैठे हो आप, वो फील ही नहीं होता है. वी आर सो कनेक्टेड थ्रू आउट द डे कि पता ही नहीं चलता है कि हाँ अच्छा ठीक है, आस्था देखना है, आस्था को समझना है, सुनना है कुछ, मिसेस दीवा चालू करो, बस यही लगता है. This is a
Lovely.
great thing.
Lovely. So thank you so much, and big thanks to our viewers also who stayed with us for so long. बहुत देर हो गई है. And thank you so much, guys, for staying with us. And आप लोग हैं
Thank
तो
you
हम हैं.
everyone.
And with this, I'm taking a leave from all of you. Thank you so much,
Sure,
and
Astha.
please keep supporting us. Thank you.